What's up, everybody? Made a video in the new truck, a good video. I'm gonna play Make It Rain. It's 29-35 respectively. 4 6.5 subwoofers. So we'll get those in a second. But this song right here seems to do best in here. I kind of started in the middle of it because it gets to the good part. So volume set. Bear it with me and play. Come on. Huh?
To refine the purest of kings, and even though I know this fire brings me pain, even so, and just the same, make it rain. Make it rain. Oh, make it rain.
Ain't got much. Can you hear stuff rattle back here? Got a little bit of movement back here.
Make it rain. Make it rain.
Factory speakers up front, so you're not going to hear nothing special up there.
Oh, it goes out of the ground, but it just keeps on getting hard. The hunger more profound. Well, I know they can't come tears from the eye, but they may as well be in vain. And even though I know these tears come,
Facebook notification.
even so, and just the same, make it rain. Make it rain.
The back, you can't hear it, but the back is making a lot of noise back here. Which, well, there it is, folks. 4 6.5. Yeah, it's not 415 loud, but they do quite well for the little DD 6.5. Impressed with them. You feeling them? Dust cap's a little warm from that, but it ain't bad. Till next video, we'll talk to you guys later.